We are exporting these gauze materials from last 20 years to European countries, and we have a tremendous experience in export. And recently, last 3 years before, we started our marketing activities in India also. We have our presence in all corporate hospitals in all India over. And we are importing the gloves from company called Top in Malaysia. We are importing examination gloves and nitrile gloves from Malaysia. And we have a all integrated factory of our cotton, yarn and other materials. Basically these gauze materials divided into two major classification. One is gauze swabs and mopping pads. These two things are using in all the surgeries. And especially we are ready with the gowns also, disposable gowns also. Our future idea is to keep all the disposables in one roof, like gowns and customized kits and disposable drapes and dressing kits and wound closures with X-ray gauze swabs and examination gloves and nitrile gloves and almost all disposables under one roof, that is Premier. Our factory is situated in Rajapalyam near Madurai. Now actually we are having presence in all corporates like Apollo, Narayan Hrudayalaya and Manipal Group and AIIMS Delhi. We are having our presence in all prestigious hospitals and corporate hospitals all over India. Our plan is we want to enter in all corporates and we want to give the sterile ones to the doctors, ready-made ones. We are participating in all internationals and Indian conferences and exhibitions. We regularly will participate in Medica and Arab Healthcare and Medical and Medi Expo in Hyderabad. Recently, yearly we used to participate at least 5 to 10 exhibitions all over India. We are participating in Chennai and Bombay and Delhi, and Kolkata and Hyderabad. We are here from today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. 3 days is the conferences, and we are expecting some crowd from here, and we are expecting the hospital management as well as the distributors and other clients.